Hey, what's up guys, Phil here, and this is a review for Sumo Kitchenware's double wall insulated ice cream containers.
In the box, you'll receive 4 white lids and 4 two-piece oblong ice cream containers. To assemble, simply place the solid color inner bowl in its matching base, aligning both sides that have the lip. Then press firmly until they click together. I got the set with the colors red, blue, green, and purple. The lids have the logo on the left-hand side and a glossy blank space to its right, where you can place a sticker label or write on with a washable marker. At one end of the lid is a finger hold for the matching cutout that allows you to easily lift and remove the lid. The interior of the bowl is a smooth and glossy plastic, and the capacity of each container is 1.5 quarts. The inner liner measures 4 inches tall, 11 inches wide, and 4 inches across, slim enough to fit on a freezer door shelf. The outer bowl has a rubber foot along the bottom's perimeter, which helps prevent the tub from sliding as you scoop ice cream out of it. This double-walled design creates an air gap between the tub with the ice cream and room temperature air, so that your ice cream will stay colder and firmer for longer once it's taken out of the freezer. Before use, be sure to wash all the pieces in warm soapy water. These are also dishwasher safe. Here I've just finished churning 1 quart of vanilla ice cream, so I'm going to pour that into the ice cream container, being sure to distribute it evenly so that there aren't any high or low spots. As you can see, there's still plenty of room left for another pint of ice cream had I made a larger batch. Alright, now that it is chilled in the freezer overnight, you can see that it's frozen solid. The nice thing about this container is that it's long, so I can scoop in one continuous pull, like they do at the ice cream shops, and that ensures that the scoops come out full and round. Just be careful not to scrape the sides of the container, as it is made of plastic and could scratch or chip. Now to top it off with a few berries and a sprig of fresh mint, and that looks just delicious. Homemade ice cream is the best thing on a hot summer's day, or whenever really. And with 4 containers, I can have 1.5 quarts of multiple flavors ready to go to eat with pies, cakes, or just to enjoy on its own. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.